Hey guys, welcome to All for Fun Griddle Cooking. Tonight we're going to do a little different. I'm always looking at making a video on what's different. I mean, everyone makes smash burgers, I did too. Everyone does stir fry, I did too. But tonight we're doing burger dogs. Now there might have been one or two that has done burger dogs. I don't remember where I saw them, but I saw them and thought, okay, I'm going to do that. So, keep on watching and I'll show you what's going on here. Alright, I got my prep table already. I'll show you the ingredients. First of all, what is a burger dog? Well, I saw this on the internet somewhere, might have been YouTube, purchased at Amazon for about $4.95, so I thought, well, shoot, you know, wasting $4.95, I could do that. So the purpose is to press your hamburger into those slots and making a basically hamburger in a hot dog bun. So that's what we're going to do. They're kind of square, so they should cook fairly evenly as you turn them from side to side. So we'll see how that works out. The other thing I found, again, this is from Walmart. They are their brioche hot dog buns. And if you look at them, they're center cut. So they're cut down the top, not on the sides. I've been looking for hot dog buns that were top cut, and I finally found them. I don't know how good they're going to grill on Blackstone. We'll see. So maybe good, maybe not. Then we got a little bit of American cheese to go on top of our burger dogs. I made a little bit of my fry sauce. If you've watched some of my other videos, fry sauce is equal parts of ketchup and mayonnaise and a good sprinkling of Lawry's seasoned salt, and then mixed together. Very good with fries and very good with hamburgers. I got some hamburger dills, I got some mustard, I got some salt and pepper, some onions to grill, and for myself I like raw diced onions on my hot dog, so I thought, well, I'm going to have that on my hamburger also. So there's the ingredients. Let me go over to the Blackstone, get that set up, and I'll be right back. Alright, here we are. I got the Blackstone all heated up. Being springtime, we've got the little seedlings and stuff flying in the air, and so it's getting on the griddle a little bit, but you know what? They're not going to poison us, so if we get a couple in dogs, we'll be all right. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on here just because I just sprayed it down with some water to kind of make sure it was all cleaned off. And now for the burger dogs. Got them here on wax paper, and I'll just lightly take one at a time, set them on there. I got the temperature set on just above medium high because the wind's blowing and I don't have any wind guards, which is okay. This one kind of fell apart. You got to make sure when you press them in that little press that you've wadded it up together and got it a tight fit. Otherwise it leaves little lines in there. And sure enough, that's what happened to me. Got my trash can down there. Got my finger bowls all set up, so salt and pepper. And now pepper. I always watch the Hungry Hussy, and he goes salt and pepper, but he puts pepper on there first. That's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get these grilled onions going also. My wife and mother-in-law, they like the grilled onions, but when I can have raw onions, that's good enough for me. My dad would eat a raw onion with his lunch every day. Hardly ever got sick. And I think we could attribute that to onions. Onions are really good for you. Some people don't like to be around you after you ate them, but onions are good. So mixed up a little bit. Come on. They're one down. Let them go. Just drizzle of oil there with them. And I can see, you know, these burger dogs are browning on the bottom. So I think, look at that. Yes, sir. Looks like a good grill on there. That one came part two. That's all right. Once they're wrapped in a bun, there ain't no getting out of it. They're going to go down really good. You know what I mean? All right, look at them onions. She's going to want those a little bit sloppy though, so got my handy dandy cover. Got my water, and we'll just squirt some water in there. Let them steam just a little bit. We'll give these a quarter turn. I don't mind medium rare or medium, but the rest of the family doesn't, so I'll make sure these are cooked clear through. All right, here's the finished product. I'm going to prep one up here, see what it tastes like. Myself, I like the fry sauce. I'm going to spread a little bit on there. It gives a good taste to your hamburgers. If you watch my smash burger, I put it on that. It was awesome. I do like a little a little bit of mustard. So let's squirt a daub on there. Couple of pickles. Who doesn't like pickles? We go to the ball games to watch the grandkids play ball. They sell pickles there. So, while I'm there, I gotta have pickle. Alright, which one do I take? I'm gonna take one of the broken ones. That way I can impress my wife and mother-in-law that 2 out of 3 were pretty good. And last but not least, Good old raw onion. I don't know how this is going to fold up and go, but let's see what it does. I'm going to adjust my camera here a little bit. All right, here's the fold. I'm going to do the hunch like Guy Fieri does. Goodness, I'm impressed. You got a nice sear crunchiness on the outside of the burger. You got the pickles, fry sauce, onions, all comes together. I think this is a winner Blackstone dinner. I'm gonna have to take this stuff inside so everyone else can eat. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and try this out. It's pretty good. If you haven't subscribed yet on YouTube, subscribe to me. That way you get notices whenever I do more videos. I'm gonna be on vacation for about 2.5 weeks, but you know, we might do a little something while we're on the road. So keep looking. Give me any comments you might have, likes, share, whatever. Have a good evening. Thanks. God bless.